Hello everybody, this is Randall Johnson, Parts Director at Porsche Dallas. We're here once again continuing to work on our Restoration Challenge car. We're taking an '88 Carrera Cabriolet. When we discovered the car, it had been poorly converted into a wide-bodied slant nose. After much discussion, we've decided as a group that we're going to take it and make it look like it actually was. So it will literally be a wide-bodied turbo car slant nose, which is the M505 option, which was very, very rare. And it will be a real one from a molecular standpoint. We're taking it from the body and white out. So it'll be as if you had ordered it back in the day from the factory.
I am Jade von Degerchoff. I am a Goldmeister technician, and it is the highest level you can get in the Porsche industry as far as vehicle service goes. We are essentially doing a dealer, I want to say remanufacturer.
Be happy to have everybody join us as we continue the journey to finalization. It's going to be an awesome build when it's all done. We're looking forward to seeing it on the road doing what it does best. In Texas, you got to do it right, do it big.
Go big or go home.